Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa Cunningham, and if you're new here, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to be updated on everything that I upload. I'm going to be trying to upload a lot more and more frequently. I'm trying to reach my goal for making sure that I can start to get paid on YouTube. I'm not really sure how it's gonna go, but hopefully everything falls through and everything's good. But today's video is going to be a try on haul bikini style with everything that I have. Recently I've been selling a lot of my bikinis on Poshmark, and I've been talking to you guys about Poshmark like since my last 3 videos, so I'm gonna leave that link down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and click on that and see what I'm selling. A lot of them are way too big for me, so like I stopped wearing them and I'm selling them, so all I have now are just like plain colors. I'm gonna be showing you guys what they look like and just basically my collection of bathing suits. I used to have so many, like a lot of women have a lot of bathing suits, girls, women, like girls love mixed matching colors, and I love that, and you're gonna see that in one of my videos. I think there's only one bathing suit that is actually matching, so we're going to get ready for this video, and I'm gonna start by just showing you guys like everything that I have, and then I'll just be like trying it on so you guys can see it. So just to start off, I'm going to be like showing you guys everything that I usually mix together because everybody's different, and the colors that look good on my skin tone might not look good on somebody else's skin tone, if that makes sense. I want to like basically show you guys how I mix and match my bathing suit. I basically have like 5 bathing suits total, and do have 2 that are matched. We're gonna go ahead and start with the first one. These really super bright orange bottoms, I'm obsessed with them. They make my skin pop so much. They also have a little thong in the back. Not super crazy, but it's definitely a little bit, you know, cute. I pair these bright bottoms with really cute top, and I got this top from Target and it's so cute. I've been obsessed with like the triangle kind of shape looking bathing suits. The bottoms I got from Zaful, so I didn't mention that, but these are from Zaful. And yeah guys, these are super bright. You can see that my legs are super tan. Everything is like making my skin pop, and I just love the way that these freaking bottoms go super high-waisted a little bit. The top sometimes feels a little bit tight, but it's okay, everything's good. So yeah, that's definitely my favorite. The next one that I have is the Zaful top that is like a little bit of, I guess you could say 2 or 3 finger straps, pretty thick straps, and the top is literally just like this. It started to fade after a while. Chlorine in the pool I think took away like a lot of the color. Definitely wasn't as bright as the last one, but orange does pop or make a lot of people's skin pop, so this one's super cute from Zaful, and I just pair that with these bottoms. I don't remember where I got these. I think they're from a website from like China or something, but these are a little bit cheeky. These are a little bit more exotic and, you know, out there, but they're super cute. The difference between this one and the one I had one before, the bottoms actually go a little bit higher, as you guys can see. Also, the orange does still make my skin pop, but not as much as the last one. But yeah, I like these 2 together. Even though there's black and white and orange, you guys can tell that it actually does flow pretty well together. Next bikini I'm gonna show you guys is my favorite color in the entire world. Well, I like black, but black bathing suits are like for me. I don't know why, they just like haven't been on my top, but I really love the color olive green. So I just have from Zaful these olive green, and then this is the top that I need to unwind. But the top is like a little bit more of like, I don't know, kind of reminds me of like wearing a sports bra, but I love this top so much. It literally is like super, it's not as supportive as I would like, but it's just like literally just so chill and laid back, but it's super cute at the same time, and it has this little tie in the front, which is super cute. Sometimes I let it just hang down, but I love the color olive green. Like literally this is also one of my favorites. I always try to mix and match the green with everything too, but sometimes it doesn't match. So this bathing suit, obviously I told you guys, is my favorite. I really like it a lot. Sometimes the top can be a little bit crazy, but I definitely wouldn't wear this out on like a boat or anything. If you're gonna be like moving around a lot or going to bars and stuff, it doesn't really support you in the area if you're like moving around a lot. It's definitely not like a sports bra, so I would definitely wear this just to tan. So the next bathing suit, also I got the top from Target. Super obsessed with. This is one of my favorite tops I've ever owned so far. I'm gonna fix this tie really quick. Pretty sure this bathing suit was on sale at Target. It's literally just like this, and it has the tie in the front. I literally am obsessed with the tie in the front. Honestly, like just adds this cute, super little cute detail to your bathing suit, and it's like it's kind of like super soft, really well, nice material. I actually really love Target's bathing suits, and I wish that they would bring out more, but the Target that I go to is like super, it's not a super Target, but I can go to like my Target and then go to one like far away, and like they'll have completely different things, so it's like really nice to go to different ones. But I got this one in my local Target. So there's the top again for you, and I literally just pair this with black high-waisted bottoms. I believe these are from Zaful as well. A lot of my bathing suits are from Zaful. These are super high-waisted and I'm obsessed with them. So these are the bottoms. They are super high-waisted. As you can see, they kind of just go up high, you can definitely tell that they are definitely wrap around your waist. Life hack to all girls, listen to me. What you can do with bathing suits like this, or if you feel like you have like granny bathing suits, literally turn them around, and that will give your behind area a little bit of like pump to your butt cheeks. Not kidding, I do it all the time. Somebody else taught me that a while ago. You can literally just turn the bathing suit around and you can use the front as the back piece. But it doesn't work for all of them because some of them sit higher. Yes, I'm obsessed with these bottoms. I've had these forever because they're black, they match everything, and they're high-waisted. So if I ever feel like I'm super bloated or something for some reason, I could definitely just throw these on, you know, and get my life together. So with this bikini in my try on, you guys can see that the black definitely matches the red. I'm obsessed with the way the red sits against my skin. Like I said, this is definitely my favorite top from Target, but the bottoms are just definitely just flattering. I mean, they're super high-waisted. You really can't go wrong with high-waisted bottoms, and like I'm trying to tell you guys, they are one of my favorites. But yes, so this one is a match. I'm just trying to get it together for you guys so you can see the way that it looks. All right, so this is gonna be the top. That string at the bottom literally just kind of sits under your chest a little bit, so you guys will see that in the try on. And then the bottoms kind of have the same. They also have the little strap at the top, so that sits against like your belly button area. And these are a little bit high-waisted. They're also a little crazy exotic. They show a lot of skin, but it's okay. See guys, so you can tell this definitely exotic bathing suit. I would not wear this one on a boat either or to the beach. I'd probably wear it in my backyard where I make sure that no one is looking, or not necessarily looking, but just make sure that no one's around, like family. With my family, I don't know, I'd have to buy like a one piece, but I definitely like it. You can see the string at the bottom of each piece. They just match so well together. All right guys, so that's gonna go ahead and conclude this video for my try on haul with my bathing suit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any like websites or any like places or anything that you know of that you would recommend to me that have really good bathing suits, let me know. Right now Zaful is really one of my favorites, and I've ordered a lot from them before in the past, and I probably will continue in the future. But bathing suit purchases are not a top priority for me right now, so like I'm gonna be taking care of that like next summer. Again, thank you so much for watching, and just leave any comments or anything below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. And yeah, follow me on social media. Namaste. Bye guys.